Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss nationalism in India. And Indian national movement. In short, I have written INM here. What is nationalism? It's a feeling of oneness. How this feeling of oneness arose in pre-independence era? This is because of the brutal policies of Britishers. What were these brutal policies? This is the policy of divide and rule. This is the policy of carrot and stick. Or you can say it's a policy of appeasement, the policy of carrot and stick. And next, the policy of exclusion, discrimination, and marginalization. This laid the foundation of nationalism in India and further the Indian national movement. Now I am going to rub this portion. Brutal policies of the Britishers. Brutal policies of Britishers. Resulted in Indian national movement. Resulted in Indian national movement. Indian national movement can be studied in two phases. Can be studied in two phases. It's before Gandhi and after Gandhi. Before Gandhi and after Gandhi, that we have to see. Before Gandhi, when Gandhi was in Africa, so again I am going to rub this portion. The journey of Gandhi in Africa. Journey of Gandhi in Africa. Gandhi went to Africa in year 1893. Gandhi went to Africa in year 1893. He went there to fight the case of his client. The name of the client was Abdullah. Abdullah was a merchant. And he came to India in year 1914. He came to India in year 1914 and applied the concept of satyagraha. This is very abysmal concept that Gandhi had applied in each and every movement. Satyagraha, the concept of satyagraha. What is satyagraha? And how Gandhi had used this concept to let the foundation of Indian national movement, that we have to see in our next topic. Thank you.